Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Sign into Icloud. Com and confirm contacts are synced. Once signed in, export a vCard backup so you can restore if needed. Now open Contacts on Icloud. Com or the Contacts app on your Mac will work from the interface that shows merged entries. Make sure two-factor prompts are handled. With the backup saved and your account active, locate a merged contact to begin separating individual records. Find a merged card and inspect its linked records and all fields so you know which data belongs to each person. Once identified, create new contact entries for each individual. Copy name, phone, email, address, and notes into separate cards. On Mac, use Edit Right Arrow Linked Contacts, or on iCloud. Com, use the linked cards view to remove links. After creating new contacts, delete incorrect merged entries or unlink the wrong card. Once you've split and cleaned each contact, force a sync. Toggle contacts off / on an iCloud settings or wait for iCloud to finish syncing, then check iCloud. Com to confirm separation. If leftover duplicates appear, use contacts built in duplicate detection to merge true duplicates but keep separated records intact. If something goes wrong, restore the earlier vCard backup to revert and repeat the process more carefully. That backup is your safety net. Use it before any mass edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.